So in this video, right, we'll be looking at the members area for ClickFunnels, right, for you to be able to put in your content when people bought into your membership and go into the members area. So over here, the first thing that you see is very different from the other steps in ClickFunnels where they will show a preview of what the members area will look like. But over here, you can go into the same thing of designing your membership design, right, by going to open in editor. And here you'll be able to see all the usual things that you can do on ClickFunnels of like changing my logos and oops, click on the wrong one. And being able to put out a design that you want how your members area to look like. And this is a preview of how each lesson is going to look like in the members area of ClickFunnels. So let's go back to actually add in new content for the members area. So over here, all your things that you're seeing here, right? These are like the different sections that you're going to see in your members area. So for example, this is actually more like a module. So I can put this as like module 1, mobile web experience basics. And you can put in like more like descriptions of like what is the requirement or all these things. So I can actually set like only free members will see the first module, and then like the paid members will actually be able to see like the rest of the modules and stuff like that. So when I update the lessons, this will be updated, and lesson 1. So I can even be like duplicating more lessons. So I can have lesson 1, lesson 2, and then lesson 1 I'll be creating, say, why is mobile web so important? Yeah, and I can add in like subtitles like mobile is the future and it will take over the world of business. Yeah, and I can add in what they are going to be seeing. So this can actually be, I mean, you can see all the elements that's available in ClickFunnels, right? And I can be like, let's say, adding a video over here. Or maybe not here, maybe I'll put the video here. So there will not be a download button. It can be a download button for like a worksheet that you want them to download along with this video, and then there will be a video content that you want to embed using your YouTube link or whichever video services you are doing, and the image over here can be like a thumbnail image of the lessons and what is it going to be. So once this is all done, when you save, this will be lesson 1 of module 1. Yeah, so when I exit, this will be updated. So in order for me to change the name of the lesson, I have to go to another settings. So this will be the basics of how do you edit the members area in ClickFunnels, adding your content, your modules, and the individual lessons that will happen within the module.